In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Facebook. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your Facebook page or your Facebook account, right? So I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Facebook. So if you're not really cool with this white display mode on Facebook, you can still enable dark mode on your Facebook account. What you need to do, you need to click on this icon, right? Click on this settings and privacy. Then once I've clicked on the settings and privacy, wait for it to open. Once it has opened, you would see this dark mode under this preference tab, right? You will click on this dark mode. Adjust the appearance of Facebook to reduce glare and give your eyes a break, right? Adjust the appearance of Facebook to reduce glare and give your eyes a break. So I'll click on this off, I'll turn it on, right? So this is how you can enable the dark mode on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.